hope you all will be fine. Today I'm going to explain different careers in AI today. Artificial intelligence has opened up numerous career paths, each with unique responsibilities, tools, and required skills. Let's delve into three AI careers that are popular at the moment: data scientists, machine learning engineers, and research scientists. Note that we will be mentioning some of the tools they need to master. If you are not familiar with these tools, that's completely okay. We will be covering them in more detail in later section. Data scientist. Data scientists investigate, extract, and report meaningful insights into an organization's data. They communicate these insights to non-technical stakeholders and have a good understanding of machine learning workflows and how to tie them back to business applications. They work almost exclusively with coding tools, conduct analysis, and often work with big data tools. Data scientists are the detectives of data world, responsible for unearthing and interpreting rich data sources, managing large amount of data and matching data points to identify trends. They utilize their analytical, statistical, and programming skills to collect, analyze, and interpret large data sets. They then use this information to develop data-driven solutions to challenging business problems. A part of this solution is developing machine learning algorithms that generate new insights, automate business processes, or provide customers with new fund value. This key skills: strong knowledge of Python, R and SQL, understanding of machine learning and AI concept, proficiency in statistical analysis, quantitative analytics, and predictive modeling, data visualization and reporting techniques, effective communication and presentation skills. Essential tools: data analysis tools, machine learning libraries, data visualization tools, big data frameworks, and command line tools. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers are the architects of the AI world. They design and display machine learning systems that make predictions from organizations' data. They also solve problems like predicting customer churn and lifetime value and are responsible for deploying models for the organizations to use. Machine learning engineers usually work exclusively with coding-based tools. Key skills: deep knowledge of Python, Java, and Scala, familiarity with machine learning frameworks, understanding of data structures, data modeling, and software architecture, advanced mathematical skills, ability to work in team, and exceptional problem-solving skills. Tools: machine learning libraries and algorithms, data science libraries, cloud platforms, version control systems. Research scientist. Research scientists are the thinkers of the AI world. They conduct cutting-edge research to advance the state of art in AI. Their work often involves inventing the new algorithms to improving existing ones. They also present their findings at AI conferences and in scholarly articles. The key skills: solid understanding of machine learning and deep learning, proficiency in Python and other programming languages, extensive knowledge of AI-related mathematical theory, ability to conceptualize and validate novel AI models, strong writing and public speaking skills. Tools: deep learning frameworks, scientist computation tools, software for writing and presentation, cloud computing resources. How to find a job in AI. A degree can be great asset when starting a career in AI, but it's not the only pathway. Why do we think it's worthwhile to get a formal education in AI and adjacent field? More and more professionals are entering the field through non-traditional routes, proving that with dedication, consistent learning, and a proactive approach, you can land your dream job in AI. Here's how to find a job in AI without degree. Keep learning about the field. Stay updated with the latest developments in AI. Following influential AI professionals can Twitter, read AI research papers, and listen to related AI-related postcards, including DataCamp's own Data Farm podcast. Some of the AI thought leaders to follow include Yusha Bengio, Fifili, and others. You will gain insight into the trending topics, events, whether it's webinars at data camp, data science and AI conferences, or networking events. Develop a portfolio. A strong portfolio that showcases your skills and projects can make you stand out for other candidates. More importantly, a project attempting to solve a real world problem will impress hiring managers. So for watching my more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.